In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Adobe Acrobat document. We'll keep this nice and simple, so if you're new to Adobe Acrobat, you can follow along easily. The goal here is just to get from the Adobe Acrobat home screen to the document you want to view without any confusion. To begin, go to your Adobe Acrobat homepage. This is the main landing area where Acrobat shows your recent activity, tools, and saved documents. If you've already signed in, this page should load automatically. If not, just make sure you're in the Acrobat home area before continuing. Starting from the home page is helpful because it gives you a central place to find the files you've worked with or uploaded. Once you're on the home page, look toward the bottom right area of the screen for the section labeled Your Files. This section is where Adobe Acrobat keeps the documents available in your account, and it's usually the quickest place to find something you want to open. Depending on your screen size or layout, the exact position may vary slightly, but you should still be able to spot the Your Files area without too much trouble. When you find your files, take a moment to look through the available documents. You should see a list or set of file entries that represent the PDFs or Acrobat documents stored there. Find the document you want to open, then click on it. Make sure you select the correct file name, especially if you have several documents that look similar. Going slowly here can save time and help you avoid opening the wrong file. After you click the document, Adobe Acrobat will take you directly to the open file. At that point, the document should load on screen so you can read it, review it, or continue working with it. If the file takes a few seconds to appear, that's normal, especially for larger documents or slower internet connections, and that's all there is to it. You start at Adobe Acrobat Home, locate your files in the bottom right area, click the document you want, and Acrobat opens it for you. If the file doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to load and make sure you clicked the intended document. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly understand how to open an Adobe Acrobat document.